Hi, this is Phillip at Chateau Avensac, and I am outside right now because I'm going to take a quick look in the kitchen. What we've done, there's a lot of work going on in there, but we wanted to see about some placements of some things, so we actually moved some of the furniture that will be in the kitchen and have it in place. So I thought we'd just take a sneak peek because it's all getting moved out today, so they can continue working on the electrical and plumbing during the week. This is the side door off the courtyard. And this goes into a small entrance area, and the staircase in front of us actually it's going to be removed, and there's going to be a wall in front of us for a little sitting area in front of that stone wall. Get your shoes on, put your coat on, and things like that. And the space that's currently under the stairs is going to be the scullery. I'll have a sink and a dishwasher or two. And a little hard to see, but right under the stairs is actually a doorway on the right side that goes into the main kitchen. And there's a door also right here at the bottom of the stairs into the main kitchen. So let's go in. All right, here we are in the main kitchen. And so we placed the furniture in here just so we can get a sense of the layout that we're gonna be having. This is just temporary for the moment. The furniture is gonna be, the two tables will be in the kitchen. And this was just to give us a sense of layout. We also are putting a floor plug under this work table right in front of me, and we wanted to get a sense of where that should go. So we moved all the furniture in, and it's gonna get all moved out later today because during the week, it's a Sunday right now, and during the week, the electrician and plumbers are gonna be back working in here. The door opposite the one I just walked into, this one that's closed in front of me, that door goes to the butler's pantry. There's a couple steps up from here into the butler's pantry. And as you can see, it's right next to the fireplace. You might notice that there is a big orange boiler in the fireplace that will be coming out, as will the water heater mounted on the wall above the fireplace. I don't know. I just don't know. I don't know who thought stick it there, but they did. And we will return this fireplace back to a working fireplace. It might just be an open fireplace, or it might be some kind of wood burning stove, to be determined in the future. We have 8 of these chairs that are around this table. 4 of them are here now. Of course, we just put them here just to get a sense of the layout. But we have 8 for this kitchen table. And opposite the fireplace, in this area marked out with the blue tape, that is the range. So it's 180 centimeters wide. That's 1.8 meters, which is, I don't know, 3, 6, 5 feet wide? Something like, I don't know. Meters, feet, it's all a mess. Let's just say 5 feet wide. It's 2 ovens, 6 burners, a French flat top, and I think a griddle is what we have planned for there. So I'll be excited when it comes in. And there'll be a hood, a big hood coming down above it. It'll look like kind of like an old fireplace hood, type of hood. Under the window, where you can see those boxes laid out, that's going to be a cabinet with a sink in it, the sink under the window. So there'll be a countertop cabinet there. And we have 2 possibilities of furniture that's in the house that we can use for that. And then where this other box is along the wall, that is going to be a very, very large 3-section cabinet that goes, it's very tall. We have 2 of them that are in the house, and we're going to use one of them here in the kitchen. So it's just a big, big cabinet for storage. So it's the pantry, just storing lots of things. It'll all go in there. And that's the general layout. And you might have noticed I skipped over in front of the range is this big work table. And that's really going to be the main counter space for chopping and cooking and things like that.
Oh, yes, sir. Oh, yes, thank you so much for your order. Yes, oh, you have a good day, too. And I hope your ferret Ermeline is feeling better. Bye-bye now. Oh, hi. This is Judy from Chateau Avensac. We have some special things to show you today, and I'll be right back after this word. they just beautiful? And they're printed on metal. Wouldn't you like to help support the restoration of Chateau Avensac by having one of these beautiful pieces of history in your very own home? Be sure to visit atthechateau.com to get yours. I also want to take this brief moment to thank all of our patrons. All of our Patreon support goes directly into the restoration of the Chateau. Thank you to each and every one of you. And to the viewers out there, if you are interested in helping support this massive undertaking, be sure to visit atthechateau at patreon.com. Oh, before I go today, I want to let you in on a little secret. Be sure to watch after the credits on each of our videos because there's a little extra. I'm Judy from At the Chateau. Have a great day.
On the one wall I haven't shown, there's the entrance. Oops, there's the entrance. We just came in. These windows open up into the courtyard. The one on the left, which has the shutters closed, is actually a door. And the one on the right was a door, but they cut it just below the glass, and now it just opens like a window. That may get returned to a door at some point in the future, but for now it's fine. That radiator is going to be gone, so we have a little extra space there. And I think under where these windows are, there's a nice little seat height bench built in. That's really the stone wall, built into the stone wall. And I'm picturing maybe a cushion there as a place to sit, and maybe an extra little cushy chair will fit in there somewhere. I'd like to have a comfortable place to sit and watch other people cook. Oh, that sounded rude. And you might notice the yellow clock in the corner. It was painted to match the kitchen. I think that's quite lovely. So that will find a home somewhere. It might stay here in the kitchen somewhere, I'm not sure. Where it is, actually, we're gonna put a refrigerator there. So there's a refrigerator in the kitchen. And I might have mentioned at the beginning, I did mention the scullery. So this door here, it will go into the scullery, and that's where the sink and the dishwasher will be. So there'll be one sink for prep in the main kitchen under this window. And then through this door will be a sink and I think 2 dishwashers and some counter space for cleaning up. I love this idea of a scullery so that if we're having some guests in the kitchen, we're dining in the kitchen, we've got the fireplace going and it's really nice and cozy. We can whisk the dishes away to the little scullery and we don't have to look at them until I get around to cleaning them because it will be me that will be cleaning them. Anyway. This was a quick view of the kitchen, while we got this furniture in place, and I hope you enjoyed it.
You can support Chateau Avensac and Mr. Tosty's art. It's not Toasty. Toasty. Stop it. Just stop it. These are absolutely beautiful. They're printed on metal. Oh, yes, sir. Yes. Thank you for your order. And you have a great day. And I hope your dog. No. Barrett. I can't. No more. I'm done. I'm just done. Let's go. We're out of here.